What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to play Spotify music on Discord. Start by opening Discord and logging into your account. Once you're in, join a voice channel by clicking on one within your server. You'll know you're connected when you see Voice Connected appear at the bottom. Next, open your Spotify app and start playing the music you want to share. Then, go back to Discord. Below the Voice Connected section, you will see an option labeled Share Your Screen. Click on it. If Spotify doesn't show up under the Applications tab, you'll need to add it manually. To do this, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. Scroll down to the Activity Settings section and select Registered Games. At the top right, click Edit. Then choose Spotify from the drop-down list and click Add Game. Spotify should now appear as a registered application. If you want easier access to controls during playback, you can toggle the overlay option on to pin playback controls to your screen. Now, return to your voice channel and click the option to stream Spotify. A window will appear with a few basic settings. Leave them as they are unless you want to adjust resolution or frame rate, and then click Go Live. Everyone in the voice channel can now listen to whatever you're playing on Spotify. You can control the volume on your end, and each listener can adjust theirs individually as well. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.